So good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, let me start with the next topic. From this topic is very important because if you want to go for the top-down parsing, then this is the basic steps. See, I told the steps is carries for the next steps. The first step is wrong, then the next step is also obviously wrong. This is the first steps if you have to do for your top-down parsing. For that, we require that very much concentration. Then you have to involve in while solving the problem for this. See, what is left recursion? See the left recursion, the last class we write left associate of the grammar. Any grammar, if you write it, it will look like a left recursion grammar. If you write that grammar using right associativity, it generate right recursion for the grammar. The left recursion, the recursion can be divided into left recursion or right recursion or general recursion. But as we now syllabus, we thought about only the left recursion. Left recursion is the grammar is look like my screen is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that way you can observe now. Yes, derives after the arrow mark immediately it will start with the non-terminal, the same as your head of the production. Now I will tell you head of the production and body of the production, that word. The head of the production is LHS, body of the production it calls as an RHS. S derives S, A or epsilon. We have a two production and that alternatives. Then this is it look like a left recursion because the S derives S. The same non-terminal is repeated here. Okay, then what is right recursion? Right recursion, S derives A, S. You can see now S is in the, after that your input. It should be in the right side of your arrow mark. It is not immediately in that arrow mark. It is look like a right recursion. Let me go for the general recursion. The general recursion, the S can be anywhere in the production. It will look at in the middle of your production. Okay, this is your types of recursion. We have to concentrate only on left recursion. A production of the grammar is said to have left recursion if the leftmost variable of its RHS, leftmost variable of its RHS is same as variable of its LHS. Clear the definition? The definition is also given. A production of a grammar is said to have left recursion if the leftmost variable of its RHS, this is your RHS, the leftmost variable of RHS is same as its LHS, then it is called left recursion. If the grammar is left recursion, it is not suitable for top-down parsing, then I have to remove left recursion from on those production. For this, the grammar containing a production having left recursion is called left recursive grammar. Okay, a grammar containing a production having left recursion is called left recursive grammar. Then the grammar is left recursion, then it is not suitable for the top-down parsing. Then we have to eliminate from that. Then what is the rule should be applied? See, let me take the heading. Let me take down elimination of left recursion. Elimination of left recursion. If a grammar is left recursive, left recursive if it has non-terminal A such that there is a derivation. Can you write it? A derives A alpha. See, it looks like a left recursive. Observe now. A grammar is left recursive if it has a non-terminal A such that there is a derivative A derives A alpha. See, now A is look like a same as after immediate. Top-down parsing method cannot handle left recursive grammar. Then a simple rule for, see, this is direct. I'm by seeing my production I can say the grammar have a left recursion. It is called direct left recursion. See, okay, see, when I see the grammar, I can look like, it will look like a recursion. See, there are two types of recursion. One is direct, another one is indirect. I will go to indirect after some problem for the direct. A simple rule for the direct left recursion elimination is, see, this is carries 2 marks. Define left recursion. See, they have to say the grammar have a left recursion of a non-terminal A such that there is a derivation A derives A alpha. Then it can be replaced by, see, A derives A alpha or beta. This is my production. A derives A alpha by beta. See, beta is not start with any one of the production, right? Beta is not start with A. So you have to replace with A derives. You have to start with beta production. See, whatever beta can be any way, any number, but it will not start with A. That all the alternatives we called as in beta. So you start with A derives beta into A dash. This is for A dash. See, I am writing apostrophe. It is not an apostrophe. It is in A dash. A dash. A dash is your new non-terminal. You can write any new non-terminal. I am writing as a new non-terminal as A dash. A dash your new non-terminal. Then what is A dash? You should be write the formula. A dash derives the remaining thing. So you should be leave about the first one. A should be leave out the whatever the remaining. So remaining thing is my production is alpha. Alpha into A dash. Then you have to introduce epsilon production. See, this is the way you have to write for a rule for elimination of left recursion. I will do you. Just you copy down. A derives A alpha or beta is a production is called left recursion. Is replaced with A derives beta into A dash. A dash derives the remaining in the production. You leave about A. Remaining the production is alpha. Alpha into A dash and epsilon. For all the production is replacing with like this. See, this is for general rule for any of production. So let me go for. If you have more than one, I'll have to copy on this also. General rule for eliminate left recursion. If it is more than one alternatives, the previous I have only one. A derives A alpha or beta. But some of the problem you have a more than one alternatives. See, A alpha 1, A alpha 2, A alpha 3, dash dash dash, A alpha m. See, A derives is starting with A. Second is also starting with A. Third is also starting with A. Dash dash dash. M production is also starting with A. See, all M production I have to replace. With what? I have a, it is not start with A production. These are not left recursive. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, dash, 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 beta n. These are all beta production. Now, whatever the beta, it's not start with A. From using that beta, I can rewrite my production. Please copy down. Immediate left recursion can be eliminated by following technique which works for any number of A production. Group of productions as A derives A alpha 1, A alpha 2, A alpha 3, dash dash dash, A alpha m, beta 1, beta 2, beta 3, dash dash dash, beta n, where no beta I begins with A. Then replace the A production by, I can now start production by capital A derives, you can state beta 1. Beta 1 into new non-terminal A dash, beta 2 into A dash, beta n A dash. Now, what is A dash? You take next as A dash. A dash derives the remaining here. The remaining is alpha 1 into A dash. Next, second alternative. What is the remaining? Alpha 2. Alpha 2 into A dash. Third one. Alpha 3 into A dash. Dash dash dash. Alpha m into A dash. Don't forget to write epsilon. Including this, you have a epsilon production. Okay. Copied on?
1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, copied on this because the formula is very important. Without know the formula, you can't able to do it. So just you copied on both the formula. I will go for the previous slide also if you want. Previous slide and this slide is very important. Over.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let me start for the left recursion problem. Okay, let I take the first problem. What is the problem? A derives A alpha or beta. Is it right? Okay, writing pad is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us start. See, now can you tell me the grammar has left recursion or not? Yes, it is look like what? It look like A derives A alpha or beta. See, I will don't go with this problem. I will go with another problem. Wait, you will be confused. A derives A or B. You take this problem. Very simple. A derives A or B. Okay, you just caught that problem. You will make so much of confused in that. Okay, over. A derives A or B. It's look like A alpha or beta. The grammar of left recursion. Yes or no? What is the replacing production? If the grammar have A derives A alpha or beta, what is the formula? Always should be write the formula. Formula is also carries in the exam before writing your solution of the problem. If A derives A alpha or beta, see head of the production is also same as after the arrow, then it is called left recursion. If it is left recursion, then you have to replace with what is the formula? Check your notes. Starting with A, you have to use beta production as the first. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Likit?
Able to hear, ma'am.
What?
Continue, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. It start with beta. Then you have a new production A dash. Beta into A dash. What is A dash? This is the formula I am writing. A dash derives remaining. You have to take the remaining part. You leave that A. What is the remaining is alpha. Alpha into A dash. Then epsilon. This is the general formula I am writing. The production have left recursion. It is replacing with that. According to that, we can solve my problem. A derives AARB. Okay. Now this is A, this is alpha, this is your beta. For your reference, I am writing. Okay. Now how to write? It is replacing with this. The grammar have left recursion is replaced with. You have to write the statement replaced with A derives. What is beta now? Beta is what?
B.
B into new non-terminal A dash. This is, you can take any new non-terminal except these A. You can choose B, you can choose C, anything you can take. Then what is A dash? Because I am defining new thing, I have to define in the next line. What is A dash? A dash is the remaining. What is the remaining in this production? You leave about only A. What are the remaining? What are the remaining in this? Small a. I have a remaining thing with only, I have only one symbol, that is A. A into the same new non-terminal A dash. Then you have to write down epsilon. Then you have to write down epsilon product. Clear? So this is your resultant answer. If the grammar derives AARB, then replaced with the grammar have a left recursion, replaced with A derives B into A dash derives A into A dash or epsilon. Any doubt? I will do some problem, then it will go into in your head. Second one, you take that. Simple I will take.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Let me explain how we'll come to know it is a left recursion. That's
See,
step
first
step.
you have to understand what is left recursion. See, this is your algorithm, your says. According to the rule, we are replacing. Okay, see, if it is left recursion, I have to say, this is your head of the production. Head of the production, same symbol is you have a after immediate arrow mark, the same symbol. Then I can say the grammar has a left recursion. First you clear that one. The grammar have left recursion or not? Say, because after the arrow mark I have a same non-terminal is there available, then it is called as a left recursion. If it is left recursion, I have to remove my left recursion by applying these formulas. Okay, these formulas is given how to eliminate my left recursion. The author will be right how to remove left recursion. He say any production is of the form A derives A alpha or beta. See, A derives A alpha. See, A after immediate arrow mark, I have once again A only. See, then it is the grammar should be look like left recursion. See, next what I am writing, it's not start with same production A. Because if you start with again A, it will look like left recursion only. I have to start with some other symbol. See, what symbol I have to start? This beta you are seeing. Beta is have A or only beta should be there. If in case A beta, then I can't take this production also A beta, because again the production have A derives or A beta, then I have A, then I can't able to take this production also for the replacing production. Then I am not able to write it for this for eliminating left recursion. See, if you don't have any A, I have only beta, then you can start with beta. Now you can observe your resultant grammar A derives beta. Is both the symbols are same? Both the symbols same or different?
Different.
Then
Different,
if it
ma'am.
is a different, but it has a left recursion is there or not now? If you want to say left recursion, what should be there? Before beta, A should be there. Are you there, A here?
No, ma'am.
No. Why A is not there? Because I'm applying a formula. Say I'm not taking with A production. I am taking without A production. From that I am writing the new production. If you write the new production, then only I can make it as to eliminate my left recursion. For that, I am rewriting my grammar with the rule says A derives, you start with beta into A dash. This is I am writing new thing. Then I have to define what is this. The next line I am defining what is that. A dash derives. See, because of this in this grammar, A and alpha should be there. See, I don't want to start with A. Then what new non-terminal say? Leave the left recursion symbol. Which is left recursion symbol? A is my left recursion symbol. You leave that. You caught that. What is the remaining? He says the rules, you leave the left recursion A, you take the remaining symbols. Any number of symbols should be there. You called all the symbol as an alpha, general name alpha. You take alpha, including alpha, you add one more as a symbol as A dash. Alpha into A dash or epsilon. If for any production, if left recursion, if you want to replace or if you want to eliminate left recursion, use these two formula for that production. Now for this grammar you can observe by looking. A derives beta, there is no A. A dash derives alpha, there is no A dash here. Then the grammar is free from the left recursion. Grammar is free from the left recursion. You can observe these also. Problem. A derives A or B. See now observe A after immediate I have a because the grammar have left recursion. If the grammar is left recursion, I have to apply elimination by using these rules. These rules I have to apply. For that, how to write? Start with A. Choose in the problem any of the alternatives, not start with A, capital A. You choose the alternatives. It's not start with capital A. Which one is not start? That is called as in beta. In that my input B. It is you start with beta. Then I am introducing one more new non-terminal A dash. Now I have to define what is A dash. What is A dash? A dash derives the alpha. What is alpha? You leave about capital A. What is remaining in that grammar? A. You take A as it is. Including A, you should be add A dash also. A into A dash or epsilon. Okay. I will tell you one more problem. Then you can understand. E derives E plus T or T. You are writing for ambiguous grammar for this. E derives E plus T or T. Now tell me the grammar has left recursion or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why you are saying that grammar has left recursion? Because same
Immediate.
non-terminal is the after the arrow mark. First symbol only. Carefully observe after the arrow mark, first symbol only. Is it right? This whole thing is what now? A alpha. This is beta. Now tell me what is A? A is equal to E. For your reference I am writing. What is alpha now? Except E. Remaining symbol we call as an alpha. What is an alpha now? Leave only E. It is look like A alpha. A is E. This whole thing is alpha. Plus T is your alpha. Beta is T. Okay, now tell me the formula. How to replacing now? What shall I write now? I write all the values now. Can you tell me start with E? E derives. What is beta?
T.
Very good. Beta is T. You can take new non-terminal. Which one can I take? E derives T?
E dash.
Very good. I am replacing, this is a new non-terminal adding as per the formula. As per the formula beta, I am writing E dash. You have to define in the next line. Slowly you understand. What is E dash?
Plus T.
Alpha. What is an alpha?
Plus T.
Plus T. Including that, what should be added?
E dash.
Very good. E dash. After that?
Epsilon.
Without fail, you should be add epsilon production. Any doubt? Carefully observe. I will give one more problem. T derives T star F or F. T derives T star F or F. Okay, can you tell me how to write for this one? Have a left recursion? Left
Yes,
recursion is
ma'am.
here? Yes. Then it's look like A derives A alpha. It's look like A derives A alpha or beta. Yes or no? Yes. Now which one is A here? A is equal to T. What is alpha now?
Star F.
Star F.
Yes. Star F. Very good. What is beta?
F.
Yes. Super. Okay. Then how to replacing?
T drive.
T derives.
F T dash.
T dash.
T derives F.
T
T
dash.
dash. T dash is new non-terminal, right? What is T dash now?
Star F.
Star F T dash.
Star F. Very good.
T dash.
T dash then
F.
epsilon. Clear? Shall I write the next one? A derives AR AT RB. Now something I am added one more extra thing. Just observe the grammar. A derives AR AT RB. Okay. Okay, now tell me. The grammar of left recursion? You have to see your general grammar. I gave a general rule. A alpha 1, A alpha 2, dash dash dash, A alpha M. Then beta 1, beta 2, dash dash dash, beta M. If the grammar is like that, then I can replacing with that formula. See, it's look like this one. A derives A alpha 1, A alpha 2, dash dash dash, A alpha M, or beta 1, beta 2, dash dash dash, beta N. If it is like this, then you can replacing with A derives any number of beta. See, don't think equal number of alpha and equal number of beta. There is no logic like that. Any number of beta, you can just replacing with those beta. See, I have only one beta, but I have a two alphas. Because of that, M and N is not equal. Alpha is M, beta is N. See, these are not equal. Then you can write anything. You can start with beta 1 into A dash, beta 2 into A dash, dash dash dash, beta N into A dash. This is your general formula. What is A dash? A dash says alpha 1 into the remaining. Alpha 1 into A dash, alpha 2 into A dash, dash dash dash, alpha m into A dash ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. Alpha m into A dash. Okay, according to that, I have to do this problem. Okay, now tell me how many alphas are there? 2 alphas are there. See, this grammar is also left recursion. A derives A alpha. Yes or no? This one? Is it left recursion or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then this is A alpha 1. This is?
A alpha 2,
This is?
beta 1.
Beta. Very good. If you, for your convenience, I will write it. A alpha 1. Alpha 1 is whatever AR. Not required. A alpha 2 your AT. Beta is B now. Okay. Now write it your production. A derives. Which one is beta now? It should be start with beta only. You can any number of beta, don't worry. But I have only one beta, you start with beta. What is beta?
B.
B into new non-terminal.
A dash.
I will take A dash. B into A dash. You start A dash. What is A dash now?
R A dash. R A
You
dash.
take the first one. Which one is the first one? Sorry, alphabet. This is an R. Which one is the remaining here? R. R into
A dash.
A dash. What is the remaining here? Second one?
T A dash.
A, ma'am.
Very. T
A
into
into A dash.
A dash.
A
And
dash.
then
Epsilon.
And
don't
Epsilon.
forget
epsilon.
epsilon. Epsilon should be added. Clear? More number of alpha. I have only one beta, so it's also can replace it. Any doubt? Five. T derives TB into A. Quickly write down. T derives TB into A. What is the answer?
T
The
derives.
production of left recursion, then every problem, if you get, write the formula first. Write the formula, then it is look like this. You can be replaced with using this formula, then you write down. The grammar should be actually, original grammar I have not come. I am doing only one line. You will get a productions. T derives
A T dash.
A into T dash. What is T dash?
B T dash.
B into
T
T
dash.
dash and
Epsilon.
epsilon. Is it right? Okay, shall I go for the next one? Sixth one. A derives AC, AAD, BD and E. Now observe. How many alpha, how many beta? Two alpha, two
one beta, ma'am.
A,
Oh, sorry.
BD or E anta ide. Just observe it. BD or E.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then how to write it?
A derives.
You can look like this is an A alpha 1, A alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2. Okay, now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now how to start? A derives
A
directly. Shall I start? A derives. What is beta now?
E A dash. Beta is
ED
BD
into A dash or
and E A
I have
dash.
one more beta.
E A dash.
Very good. E into any number of beta you take down. Don't link with your alphas. Alpha should be any number, beta should be any number. Just you take. Only one is there. You write BD into A dash. That's all. You have 2 is there, you take. You have a 3 is there, you take 3 also. That number of beta will be replacing with A dash. BD into A dash, E into A dash. What is A dash now?
C A dash
What is an alpha in the first production?
C
C into A dash. Second production.
AD into
AD
A dash.
into A dash.
AD into A dash. Then third production.
Ep-
Which one?
Epsilon, ma'am.
Epsilon.
Epsilon. Very good. Any doubt? Shall I go for the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. I will move on to the next one. Seventh one. Sit it. Remove the left recursion for the given grammar. This grammar is very, very important for your top-down parsing. Remove the left recursion for the given grammar. You will get like this. E derives E plus T or T. T derive T star F or F. F derives or ID. Remove the left recursion from the given grammar. You will get like this. See, not getting only one line. You will get like this. Set of production will be given. You have to start. Solve. You take the first production. E derives E plus T R T. Then write down. The grammar has left recursion. Sorry. See, the grammar is of type A derives. Only one time you write it. A alpha or beta is replaced with A derives beta into A dash derives alpha into A dash and epsilon. You should be applying this formula. Therefore, E is equal to, what is the answer? You already written this one. T into E dash. What is E dash? Plus into T, E dash and epsilon. Then second production. T derives T star and F. Have a left recursion. Replaced by T derives. How to write T derives? F T dash. T dash derives star F alpha. T dash and epsilon. Third production. F derives E R I D. Is there left recursion in this third production?
No, ma'am.
After immediate, I have a terminal symbol, open parenthesis. Then it is not F. After F, then I have a I, small id. It is also terminal symbol. This not required left recursion. Then don't forget last statement. Therefore, resultant grammar is E derives T E dash derives plus T E dash and epsilon. T derives F T dash derives star F T dash epsilon. F derives E or ID. This way you have to write down. The resulted grammar is every step you do it. Finally, you have to write down, then you have to put a box. Complete marks you will get it if you follow these steps. What am I writing from the beginning till end? One time you should be mention your formula. The remaining time you should be write your solved by every production. Okay. Clear? When your write-up is over, intimate me. I will move on to the next problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
1 minute, ma'am.
I will tell you after the chapter module 4 to upload your notes. Carefully written. Why I am forcing to write is at least you will get it at the exam time. These problem I am not uploaded my in Google site or anywhere. Only for the class purpose I am doing. If you return your notes, you will get it. Shall I move?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Let I go for the next one. 8th one. Take it down. Yes, there is R-A-R capital A-A-R-A. R derives A-B. Capital A derives capital A, capital R,
Ma'am,
capital
it's not
A.
visible,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
screen is not visible.
Now,
No,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
visible
No,
or
ma'am.
not visible?
Not visible.
1 minute. Look it.
Yes, ma'am. ಈಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
Capital S derives, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Capital S derives capital R small a or capital A small a or capital A. Next line, capital R derives small ab. Next line, capital A derives capital A capital R, capital A capital T, small b. Last line, T derives TB or A, capital T small b or A. Okay, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Meghana R. USA number 80. USA number 80. Okay. 81.
Yes, ma'am.
81. Can you tell me steps? Remaining student do it. And after I am written, you can check it out. How to
Yes.
start? Meghana?
The first one we have to
First
take.
one, is it required? Left
No,
recursion?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Can you observe now? All of you observe the first production. Yes, derives R-A, R-A-A, R-A. That is not start with capital S. Second production is also not start with capital S. Third production is also not start with capital S. Then you have to write down not required. Not required, left recursion. Go to the second line. R derives AB. Meghana, is it required?
No, ma'am. No, not
So you
required.
write the same statement. Third statement, A derives ARATRB. Yes,
Yes, it is required, ma'am.
required left recursion is of the form A
A
derives
derives B, beta
A
1, A
alpha or beta. Then it will be replaced with A derives beta into A dash A dash derives alpha into A dash and epsilon. You have to write down using this formula. Okay, now tell me, make an answer. A derives
Small b a dash.
small b A dash. What is A dash?
R a dash.
See, R is your alpha. I did three same problem now. R and T is R into
A dash.
A dash,
Or it will be t a dash
T into A dash R.
or epsilon.
Very good. Then last one. Next production. T derives TBR A. Is it required left recursion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right done. Required left recursion. Then replaced by T derives
A t dash.
A T dash. What is T dash?
T dash derives b t dash or epsilon.
B T dash or epsilon. Okay, then resultant grammar. Therefore,
Resultant grammar is
resultant grammar is
S derives.
Don't forget resultant grammar. All the examiner will be check your resultant grammar. R derives AB. A derives. Don't write the problem. A derives B A dash. A dash derives R into A dash. T into A dash and epsilon. T derives A into T dash. T dash derives B into T dash and epsilon. This is your resultant grammar. Clear? Okay. Shall I go for the next one? Any problem? 105? I will give some problem. Can you solve? Okay, can you copy down this one? 8 I did. Can you copy down 9 and 10?
Your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
1 minute. Okay, now visible? Likit.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible.
Okay, 8
Visible.
ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ 8 1 I did now. Okay, 9th and 10th you copied on. 9th and 10th. Yes, there is S plus SS or S or S star A. Here, how many betas are there in that 9th problem?
2, ma'am.
2 is E. Okay, open parenthesis and A. Okay, using 2 beta, you replace with 3 alpha. That's all. 10th one, simple problem I gave it. See, don't make any error, any confusion in this left recursion.
Excuse me,
Because-
ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, somebody is removing me, ma'am.
ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ
Twice they have removed.
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸಿ 105ಗಾ
400, ma'am. They removed twice, ma'am, within a minute.
ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸರ್ಗೆ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ, ತೋರ್ಸೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಓವರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
One minute, ma'am. Writing.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, shall I end my class? See, now I did only direct recursion. So tomorrow I have to do some more problem on indirect recursion. See, that will some bit confused, you will get it. I will solve the problem. Don't worry about that, how to do for indirect recursion also. You don't make a confused with your immediate left recursion. If you don't have immediate left recursion, then I can go for indirect left recursion. Okay. You do this, you will get an idea for this. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, I will